Hey guys, we're out in the garden today working on some of our perennials, and I thought I would pop on here and share with you guys some of how I take care of the perennials here in the midsummer. You guys may or may not be aware of this, but a lot of your perennials can be trimmed back and flushed out again, so they look like they may be spent and just ready to just basically be done for the year. But a lot of your perennials, in this case we're going to be talking about columbine, salvia, lots of perennials that just this time of the year just get blah looking. You can take those and refresh them and get them ready for another round of color, so that you can enjoy them more throughout the year. So right here, let me show you what I've got. So that's a little spot in the corner of one of the corners of our garden where I have some columbine, and it's seen better days. It's pretty used up at this point. So what I want to do is cut it back. I'll take it back all the way to the ground and let it come back and see how it does. So got some shears here. Where did I put those guys? So got some shears, and we'll cut these guys back. Alright, so we got that all cleaned up. Looks really nice. So what I'll do is I'll take about a cup or two of Plant-tone by Espoma and just kind of sprinkle that throughout the bed and just get a good covering on there, followed up by putting a good top dress of mulch back over the top of the plants, and give them a good watering, and they're going to be taken off for the next half of this summer. So until next time guys, I'll see you later. Bye bye.